set up an Apple TV, open the box, and you'll find just about everything you need. You'll also need an HDMI cable, which is sold separately. First, there is a quick start guide to help you during the process. Pick up the Apple TV unit and you'll see the power receptacle. Plug the power cord into the unit. The remote control has a rechargeable battery within it. Plug the white power cord into the remote and the other end into the USB port to charge the battery. Plug the Apple TV into a wall outlet. Then plug an HDMI cable sold separately into the Apple TV. Then find an HDMI port on the back of your television. There will usually be more than one. Plug your Apple TV in. Turn on your television and change the input to the HDMI port number in which your Apple TV is plugged. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Apple TV preferences. For assistance, anytime, day or night, call EPB Fiber Optics at 423-648-1372.